you need to cut off 47 mil of a 4 mil diameter flat head nail, or something similar, and the pin will go into that hole. So what you need to do is tension the spring and slot the pin in. There's the 4mm nail that's been cut off at 47 mil long, slots through the roll pin and then into the tension locking hole. That gives you the ability now to remove the bolt, so you can do that while it's in the vehicle. Removing the inner guard is the easiest way if you don't have the ability to get fully underneath the van. So let's go in and have a look. So there is the tensioner, and you can see the belt is loose and the tensioner is held in with the pin. So I'll swap the belt over and then drop it down. It's a two-handed job, so not as easy to do holding a camera. And there's the new belt tensioned. So the pin has been released, and inner guard will go back on. So it's the 2DPK12125 belt. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.